Heya, Mango. Hi, Mango. Hello, Mango. Bonjour, Mango.
Ugh, honestly, it's too early for this. What do you want?
You look ravishing today.
Your puns are so funny.
No, I'm serious. I do not know how you've been doing it. You look great.
Are you pulling my stem?
No, tell me more.
Well, I've been doing intermittent fasting for a while now.
Oh, I've heard of that. But isn't it difficult?
No, it's actually really natural and easy when you get the hang of it. I would never go back. I feel amazing.
Seriously? What do you mean?
I feel confident. I've lost around 5 pounds and my skin has been so much clearer. Can't you tell?
Wow, that sounds too good to be true.
But it's true. Many celebrities do it.
Like Ellen DeGeneres and Robert Downey Jr.?
I don't know, but definitely Hugh Jackfruit and Halle Berry.
Nice. I'm a little envious, but I guess nothing lasts, right?
What are you talking about now?
There's an iceberg ahead.
Whoa!